A maroon-colored minivan. They say it likely has some severe damage to the front end, but they're not revealing to us where it's actually located. They're waiting on a search warrant in order to take that vehicle into their possession and to have forensics go through it. Police are still appealing that. Oh my goodness. And at this very location, Lansdowne in Davenport.
Oh man, here's the red light, right?
What happened? What are we...
Coming out 36 close. Look at that. Look at, he made a red light. Huh?
You're totally right.
Yes. He's coming out 36 close. Look at that. Look at, he made a red light. Huh?
You're totally right.
Yes. I need a witness for it. Yeah. You pass on the red light. Oh, but they won't stop. If there's no injury, they won't stop. I need a witness.
दीदी अब्दुल्ला नहीं दिया
बिल्कुल ठीक है
Oh my God
क्या हुआ हमको ग्रीन में
Oh my God दीदी अब्दुल्ला नहीं दिया
बिल्कुल ठीक है
Oh my God
क्या हुआ हमको ग्रीन में
Oh my God
बस Are you okay?
Yeah.
You okay? You alright? You okay? No. Are you okay? What's that? What green? Green light. We have a green light. Are you okay?
No.
Are you okay?
No. No. Hi. Hi. No. Oh, help. Son of a bitch. Oh my God.
Not me! That guy!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It was at this point that my wife looked at me with an expression of wonder. Not anger or exasperation, but just simple wonder, and said, "I can't believe you do this for a living." But I'm afraid it's so. I always have catastrophes when I travel. Once, on an airplane, I leaned...
Failed, right? What is it? What?
Across the board, so...
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, right?
Oh, yeah, what the hell?
Oh my God! Yeah, pay attention to what's going on. Oh my God! Oh my God!
I was just minding my own business. Bam! Hit me hard right from the back. I was glued to my seat. I was like, whoa! I could see the car in front of me. I was about to hit him, so I kind of veered off this way. As I veered off this way, the guy who hit me veered off that other way, and he hit the curb, flipped over, rolled over, run into the electrical pole, and I didn't know he hit the pole. All of a sudden, I kind of stopped, and I was like, whoa! And the wires come down, boom, and then arc, bam, that fire was coming everywhere. It was arcing, sparking, blowing up. I saw one arc go from the corner of my van up to the car behind me. It was like a big rainbow, boom, and it was coming up, boom, boom, everybody was like, shoo! So I opened up my door, I didn't touch no metal, and as I come up, I started to touch the top, and a little spark jumped up. I was like, whoa! I stepped out, rest of the way. Lucky I didn't get burned more. So, oh, it was crazy, dude. I was just sitting there and I was like, oh! Reality hits you hard, bro.
That is poetic. Reality hits you hard, bro.
I felt like Chris Farley had come back to life.